Alright, let's talk brains. Not the creepy horror movie kind, but your brain, the most powerful organ in your body. Think of it as the command center that runs the show, from your heartbeat to your wildest daydreams. Now, the brain is made up of two main players, the cortex and the subcortex. The cortex is that wrinkly outer layer. Yep, the one you always see in illustrations. It handles higher level stuff like thinking, planning, and remembering your cousin's birthday. When you decide to raise your hand in class or solve a puzzle, thank your cortex, but there's more beneath the surface. The subcortex sits deeper, quietly taking care of business you don't even notice. It keeps your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and even helps you react when you touch something hot. It also plays a huge role in emotions and habits, those automatic reactions that just seem to happen. I want you to imagine your brain as a city. The cortex is like the buzzing downtown, where all the big decisions get made. The subcortex is the infrastructure, the plumbing, the electricity, the traffic flow, keeping everything running smoothly whether you're aware of it or not. Here's where neurons come in. These tiny cells are the messengers of the brain. Each neuron sends electrical signals, think of them like little sparks, down its axon, which is kind of like a phone line. When the signal reaches the end, it jumps across a tiny gap called a synapse to the next neuron. This is how your thoughts travel, memories form, and even how you wiggle your toes. Why should you care about this, especially if you're majoring in psychology or health sciences? Well, understanding the brain's structure and how neurons communicate is the foundation for everything you'll learn next. Whether you're studying mental health, behavior, or how drugs affect the mind, it all starts here. Let's say you're working with patients in the future. Knowing which part of the brain controls movement or speech helps you understand what might go wrong after an injury or illness. If you're interested in research, understanding the basics of neural communication lets you dive deeper into how learning, memory, and even mental disorders work. So learning the basics isn't just about passing the next test. It's about building a toolkit for your whole career. The more you know about the brain's inner workings, the better you'll be at making a real difference, whether you're helping someone heal or unlocking new scientific discoveries. So next time you think about your brain, remember, it's not just a blob in your skull. It's your story, your skills, and your future, all firing together in a network of connections. Stay curious and keep exploring what's going on up there.